What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Columbus Aviation and welcome back to another model unboxing. Today we have the American Eagle CRJ700, Bombardier CRJ700, made by GeminiJets. I got this on eBay for about $50. It also it came with a postcard, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, not too much to say about this model. It's my first standard livery American Eagle. Obviously I've got this guy, and technically that guy, that's American Eagle as well, but this is my first standard livery American Eagle, so really nice to see. It's actually my first standard livery American Airlines. I don't have any American mainline. That's probably next up on the list. So yeah, with that being said, let's take a look at the model. First, actually, let's take a look at the box. We've got our standard GeminiJets small box here. So yeah, just the branding. And then the back. Yep, alright. Here we have the American Eagle CRJ700 operated by SkyWest Airlines. I think it looks pretty nice. This is my third aircraft from the CRJ series. It's second CRJ700. So this is a kind of old release. I think it's like 2 or 3 years old. So let's start down at the front end. We've got operated by SkyWest titles underneath the cockpit window, and then L1 door. Next to the L1 door is the One World Alliance logo and American Eagle titles. As much as I joke about not liking American on this channel, I really do like the color. I don't know. I don't really love it in real life, but the gray color does look really good in 1:400 scale. You've got our little blank winglets there, and the U.S. flag and registration, which is November 706 Sierra Kilo. We've got our nice little engines. You can take a look at the front of. Let's take a look at the top. Looks pretty nice. Alright. And then the American Airlines tail, which I do think looks really cool on the T-tail design. Let's spin her around and take a look starting from the back on the other side. So, hold on. Did I forget something over here? I thought I forgot something over there. Oh well. Alright, so coming from this side, we've got our American Airlines tail, as per usual. Looks pretty nice on this side as well. I prefer the other side's design. Just looks better, more natural. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention the emergency exit row. We've got registration, U.S. flag, and emergency exit row on this side, which is also present on the other side. American Eagle titles again, and the little short door, then operated by SkyWest right there. Yeah, nose cone looks pretty good. Yeah, we've got the fleet number there, 706. Ooh, sorry about that. Let's take a look at the bottom. It'll focus. Got the stand hole gear. That one gear's a little off. Like, it's a little sideways, but that's fine. It sits fine. And also the GeminiJets logo, which is pretty cool. So yeah, there's not too much to say about this model. This will be operating most of the routes out of Lake Erie Regional Airport, and is really important for my collection, so I'm really glad to have been able to pick this up for just about $50 on eBay. I think it was Grayland Station. They've also got their own website. I just found it on eBay first. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe so I can make more content like this. Columbus Aviation signing out.